So, none of what you just watched is actually happening. It's just a bit of April Fool's Day fun from myself and the district at Sechelt. There are no plans to install speakers at parks throughout Sechelt. There isn't. Is there, Darnelda?
No, Tony. While keeping our parks safe and enjoyable is a priority for the district, there are currently no plans to install speakers, wireless or otherwise.
Whew, okay, well that's a relief. Happy April Fool's Day everyone, and enjoy the rest of your Monday. Or carrying a small bell or a radio, and I f***ed it up already. Okay, well that's good to hear. I recognised there needed to be a more reliable solution to this problem. I'll do that again.
Okay. Yeah, so don't put it in your face, but kind of, yeah.
This is a micro first light.
This could be a
There are no plans to in that. I got it this time for sure, guaranteed. I only need 8 warm-ups and then I'm good.